Hello and welcome to Math Matters. I'm Mrs. Wall, and today we're going to learn about money. Our goal is that by the end of today's lesson, you can say, I'm learning to make amounts using pennies and using nickels. For today's lesson, you will need paper, a pencil or a writing utensil, and pennies and nickels, or something that you can count. You are welcome to draw a 5 frame or a 10 frame on your paper if that helps you. Today you will have an opportunity to practice your POG attributes. You can show your math thinking through writing and making connections with what you read or hear throughout the lesson. Today's lesson is challenging. Keep trying and don't give up. Ask questions to help solve the problem. We've been learning about money. Here are some of the coins we've discussed. Penny, 1 cent. Nickel, 5 cents. Dime, 10 cents. Quarter, 25 cents. Money has value. The value of a penny is 1 cent. A nickel has the same value as 5 pennies. The value of a nickel is 5 cents. A dime has the same value as 10 pennies. The value of a dime is 10 cents. A quarter has the same value as 25 pennies. The value of a quarter is 25 cents. Before we get started with making a certain amount of money with pennies or with nickels, let's get our brains warmed up. I'm going to flash some coins on the screen and then take them away, and you need to see if you can figure out the total value of coins shown. Are you ready? Here we go. Do you need to see it again? I'll show it one more time. What did you see and how did you see it? What is the value of the coin shown? Maybe you saw the coins by counting by ones like this. 1 cent, 2 cent, 3 cent, 4 cent, 5 cents, 6 cents. Or maybe you saw 2 rows with 3 pennies, or 3 cents each. The value of the coins is 6 cents. Let's continue to practice counting pennies with a splat. How many pennies do you see? I just counted 16 pennies. If each penny is worth 1 cent, let's count to find the value. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 cents. Here comes our splat. How many pennies are under the splat? You can use your paper or counters or your fingers to show your thinking. I see 6 pennies, which is worth 6 cents, We know there were 16 pennies or 16 cents. I could count up from 6 to get to 16 to figure out how many pennies are hiding. I'm going to track on my fingers. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 10 pennies are hiding. So 6 plus 10 is 16. Maybe you counted back from 16. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. That's 10. Because you know 16 pennies minus the 10 that we're hiding would help us get to 6 pennies. 16 minus 10 equals 6. Let's check. There's 10 pennies hiding. The next problems are going to be a little different. Remember, you've got this. Don't give up. I have 23 cents in my pocket. I have only pennies in my pocket. How many pennies do I have? You can use your paper and pencil or your pennies to help you. What questions could you ask yourself to help you with your thinking? Did you write 23 pennies? 23 pennies is 23 cents. I have 47 cents in my pocket. I have only pennies in my pocket. How many pennies do I have? Use your paper or your pennies to help you think this through. What questions could you ask yourself to check your thinking? Did you write 47 pennies? 47 pennies is 47 cents. Now that we've spent some time working with pennies, let's get our brains warmed up with nickels. Once again, I'm going to flash some coins on the screen and you're going to try to see if you can figure out the value of the coins. Ready? Okay, here we go. Let's look at it again. Did you recognize what coin that was? How did you see the coins? How did you see the value of the coins? Let's check. These are nickels. Maybe you counted the nickels by one and saw that there are 4 nickels. If we know that there are 4 nickels, how does that help us determine the value of the coins? If each nickel is worth 5 cents, we can count by fives 4 times to figure out the value. 5 cents, 10 cents, 15 cents, 20 cents. Or maybe because you know that 2 fives make a 10, you know that 2 nickels would make 10 cents. So maybe you saw 10 cents, 20 cents. The value of the coins is 20 cents. Let's continue to practice counting nickels with this flat. How many do you see? I see 8 nickels. If each nickel is worth 5 cents, let's count to find the value. 5 cents, 10 cents, 15 cents, 20 cents, 25 cents, 30 cents, 35 cents, 40 cents. We have 40 cents and 8 nickels. Here comes the splat. How many nickels are under the splat? You can use your paper or your coins to show your thinking. I see 4 nickels that are not hidden, and we know that there were 8. 8 nickels minus 4 is 4. I think there's 4 hiding. 4 nickels, if I'm counting by fives, 5 cents, 10 cents, 15 cents, 20 cents. I think there's 20 cents hiding under the splat. Let's find out. 4 nickels, 20 cents. Woohoo! The next problems are going to be a little different. Remember, you've got this. Just like how you did with those other tough questions we've had today. You can do it. I have 30 cents in my pocket. I have only nickels in my pocket. How many nickels do I have? You can use your paper or your coins to help you. What questions could you ask yourself to check your thinking? Did you write 6 nickels? 6 nickels is 30 cents. 5 cents, 10 cents, 15 cents, 20 cents, 25 cents, 30 cents. I have 45 cents in my pocket. I have only nickels in my pocket. How many nickels do I have? You can use your paper or your coins to help you. What questions could you ask yourself to check your thinking? Did you write 9 nickels? 9 nickels is 45 cents. 5 cents, 10 cents, 15 cents, 20 cents, 25 cents, 30 cents, 35 cents, 40 cents, 45 cents. Let's do a quick check for understanding. Which box shows 50 cents? A, the blue box, or B, the green box. You can use your paper to show your thinking or counters. Let's find out. How much does A have? Let's count it together. 5 cents, 10 cents, 15 cents, 20 cents, 25 cents. The blue box has 25 cents. Let's count the green box. 5 cents, 10 cents, 15 cents, 20 cents, 25 cents, 30 cents, 35 cents, 40 cents, 45 cents, 50 cents. The green box has 50 cents. Let's go back to our question. Which box shows 50 cents? The green box, B, shows 50 cents. Let's do a quick check for understanding. Which box shows 8 cents? A, the blue box, or B, the green box. You can use your paper or your counters to show your thinking. Let's find out how much A has. Let's count. 1 cent, 2 cents, 3 cents, 4 cents, 5 cents, 6 cents, 7 cents, 8 cents. The blue box has 8 cents. Let's count the green box. 5 cents, 10 cents, 15 cents, 20 cents, 25 cents, 30 cents, 35 cents, 40 cents. The green box has 40 cents. Our question was, which box shows 8 cents? The blue box, A, has 8 cents. In today's lesson, we went over ways to make an amount of money using pennies or using nickels. Mathematicians can communicate their ideas in many ways. Take a moment to think about yourself as a mathematician and a communicator. Were you able to write to share your ideas? Did you listen to make connections to what you heard or read? Think about yourself as goal-directed and a resilient individual. Were you able to keep trying and not give up? Take a moment to think about yourself as a mathematician who is creative and a critical thinker. Did you ask yourself questions to help you solve the problem? Great job today. Now take a moment to think about, what did you learn? I learned blank. You can write it on your paper. If you have any questions from today's lesson, or if you have any wonderings, you can also write those on the paper. I wonder blank. You are welcome to share that with your teacher or with someone at home. In today's episode of Math Matters, we were learning about making amounts of money using pennies and using nickels. Try to create change amounts at home today. I'm Mrs. Wall. I hope you have a great day and keep on counting.